Let's talk about the P word, propaganda. It's been the most used word of the week. Let's get into it. A lot of films have been called propaganda this week. And I just want to dissect that. I want to understand what makes a film a propaganda film and what doesn't. Firstly, if you're presenting a bunch of information based on real life events and you're saying it's fact and it's not, or it's at least questionable, that can be labeled as propaganda. I'll give you an example of where a film, challenged that. Mani Ratnam's Guru. It was based on a real life person, kind of like the film that came out this week, and it was talking about their rise from rags to riches, which can be quite glorifying in many ways, and doesn't, talk about the issues. Except Mani Ratnam's film does, because at some point they introduce a journalist, Madhavan, funnily enough, who questions all the actions of Guru Kant Desai.
गुरु भाई इंडियन इंडस्ट्री के सबसे बड़े उम्मीद हैं, चैंपियन बिजनेसमैन है। सच बोलूं तो ये एक बीमारी है।
Again, it creates two narratives, makes you wonder, makes you think. Interesting. Another thing is, if you are selling the actions of the heroes, the violent actions, as the only answer to the problem. I'll give you an example where this didn't happen. Rang De Basanti. Rang De Basanti, the students killed a politician because they wanted to avenge their friend. Feels very victorious and you're glorifying violence and you're like, this is the answer. No, the students went to a radio station later and people questioned them. There was a teacher who asked, don't you think you're setting a bad example by saying that violence is the answer? And they're like, yeah, you're right.
We're sorry.
Yeah, we were angry, we were pissed, and maybe we did the wrong thing, but this is why we're pissed, and that creates a dialogue. An example of a dialogue where the government is being criticized, for instance, and there are two sides to the coin, is Swades, where Shah Rukh Khan is criticizing the government, and the people inside the village, represented by Gayatri, are saying, yeah, but you are sitting on your high horse and you're at NASA, so you don't get to tell us shit because you're living a life of privilege. So at least we're trying. Interesting. Conversation, two sides of the coin, narratives, people in dialogue with each other, something that you can then take out of the theater and even have a conversation after, which is always great. And also, if you are presenting negative characters based on real life people as one-dimensional, Mogambo Khush Hua in a lair people, you are robbing them of the nuance and the horror of the human condition, which is that human beings can be regular and tell you about their favorite coffee and also kill thousands of people, which they did wonderfully in Sardar Udham, portraying General Dyer, who called the order at Sardar Udham to be a dude. He's just a dude who has taste in music, who has things he likes, and he also did call for all those people to die.